I'm going to introduce you to something that is so incredibly cool, so powerful, it's incredibly radical that you see this. Woo! Awesome. Okay, check this out. It's actually any power that has a rational exponent. What can you do with it? Because every one that we've done so far, the numerator's been 1. Remember this? We said 81 to the 1/2. And we said, oh, that's the same as square root of 81, which is just 9. And that little 2 went into the index right there, right? Okay, that's only half of it. Because what if this guy was not 1/2? What if this guy was some other crazy number, like, for example, 5/3? What do you do with that now? Introducing flower power. Check this out. If you know anything about flowers, which of course you do, right? You know that the flower grows above the soil. Yay, there's our wonderful little flower. Oh, how pretty. Okay? And below the soil, yeah, are those really important things called roots. Do you hear it? The flower is the power. There is the root. Do you see it? Not yet, right? Okay, hold on. Hold on. I'll show you. Watch this. There is your ground. What grows on top? The flower. What grows underneath? The root. So guess what? This is the power. That's the root. You're kidding. No, I'm not. So this would be, think about it, the same as saying the third root of x to the power of 5. Holy smokes, it's that easy? Yup, it's that easy. Let me show you a little bit. So take a look at this. Okay, so watch. Here's 25. Now we're not dealing with x's anymore. We're dealing with an actual number. There's the 3. There's the flower. Woo, pretty flower. Hey, teacher, you draw pretty flowers. You betcha. Okay, and there's the root. Right, so what does this mean? This means the square root of 25 to the power of 3. Which, if you think about it now, the square root, now we don't put the index of 2 here, but if you want, just for this particular question, we can. The square root of 25 is 5. 5 cubed is 125. There's your answer. Oh my goodness, you're kidding me. No. But I have a lot of people say, well, can you do the power first and then the square root? You certainly can, because think about it. You can go here and you can say, oh, 25 to the power of 3, because that is the power, right? And then square root the whole lot. Sure, let's try. I don't know what 25 to the power of 3 is. I'm going to pump up my calculator here. Okay, here we go. Come on, calculator. There it is. Clear this out of here. 25 to the power of, I'm going to use that hat button again, 3. Well, that's huge. Oh, my goodness. But now we're going to square root this. Second square root. And don't forget, you've got a history button. All you have to do is mouse up and grab that number. Pop it in there. There it is. Yoink, it's 125. So it doesn't matter if you do the power first. Okay, let's put all these numbers down here. So just for reference, 15, 6, 25. Let's put that down first. 15, 6, 25, and then we square rooted this, and we got the same value of 125. So the point is, it doesn't matter if you square root first and then do the power, or do the power first and then do the square root. It doesn't matter. It gives you this exactly the same answer. And that's what your textbook's going to say. If you look over here in your textbook, for example, it's going to say this. It's going to say any x to the power of m over n. What you can do is you can do the nth root first and then raise it to the power of m, or you can raise it to the power of m first and then do the root. It doesn't matter. It gives you the same answer. Okay, so let's take this now to another level. Boom. We got a whole bunch of questions. Stay tuned to the next podcast.